Hello, welcome to my channel Lucky Bamboo. Today we're gonna do a rutabaga salad with shrimp. Have some shrimp here. One big rutabaga is about 3.5 pounds. Rutabaga is basically a root vegetable that is originated a cross between cabbage and turnip. Yeah, it's a cross between a cabbage and a turnip. And outside United States, they don't call it rutabaga. They call it sweet. SWEDE, sweet. So only United States they call it rutabaga. So it's a cross between a cabbage and a turnip. So it's a pretty healthy vegetable, and today we're gonna do a rutabaga salad with shrimp. So here's the ingredient to go with it. Need some garlic, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1/4 cup of sugar, and so before we begin, let's steam the shrimp first. I got some jumbo shrimps here. Let's steam it. Okay, let's cook the shrimp. I got a pot right here. You don't need any put any water in the pot. Basically, just bring the pot to very hot, and just toss in the shrimp, because shrimps already have a lot of moisture, a lot of water in it, so you don't need to put water in the pot. Just that's how I steam the shrimp. Just put the lid on and let the shrimp cook in there for a few minutes. That's all you need. Okay, the shrimp is cooked. Just set it aside. Let's prepare the rutabaga. Let's remove the skin, the outer skin. Take a knife, just remove the tough skin here. We don't need that. Alright, when you remove all the skin, and I have a vegetable shredder right here. I'm going to shred it up. So I did, just shred it up like that. I think that's enough. You don't want to hurt your finger here. This thing is pretty sharp. That's good enough. We got plenty. Alright, clean right here. Garlics. I got some garlics. 1/4 cup of white vinegar. 1/4 cup of fish sauce. 1/4 cup of sugars. The vinegar, you can adjust it. If you need some more, just pour some more in. So let's Let's smash up the garlic. What I do is just do like that, smash it up. Alright, it's easy to do. And with the knife, just chop it up. Okay. Just you want it spicy? Just put some chili pepper in there in the sauce. Okay, let's mix the sauce together. Let's put the chili pepper here, the garlic, the sugar, fish sauce, vinegar. Mix all them up. This is the sauce right here. That's it. And let's prepare the shrimp. Got the shrimp here. I just de-shell it. Take out the shell. Alright. Okay, after take out the shell, I'm just gonna cut in half it. Just cut in half. It's like butterfly it. Alright. Let's put the shrimp in. Just use your finger, I guess. You want to wear gloves, so I'm just use finger here. Make sure you mix the sauce really good because of dissolve all the sugar. So a lot of sugar in there's a quarter of a cup of sugar. And with the vinegar, if it's not, see, in order to make this Asian salad, you gotta have some sweetness, some sour, and some saltiness. So salty, sweetness, and sour. So the salty come from fish sauce. The sweetness from sugar, and the sour coming from the white vinegar. So just pour it all in there. Just use my finger. Just mix it all up. Alright, give it a little taste. See if you need add some more ingredients in there. Well, just give it a little taste. Well, let's put in a little bit more vinegar. It's not sour enough. We got them salty enough already, but not sour. Just pour in a little more, maybe one more, maybe a couple more tablespoon. And also, if you want a little more kick, I already put on some chili pepper already. Right here, put in some of this sriracha. Couple spoon of that. Teaspoon, I mean, couple teaspoon of that. Just mix it up. Just kind of give it a little bit of like a red color, you know. And mix it up some more. So let's taste it. See if it's okay now. Pretty tasty, very crunchy. When you bite into it, really crunchy. I think we have enough ingredient already. Let's plate it up. Alright, this is the final product. I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of cilantro. So this is the final product. Rutabaga salad with shrimp. It's a very delicious, very crunchy, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Very healthy. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Please support the channel. It's the only way this channel get any bigger. That's from your support. Please subscribe to the channel. There's some more cooking coming up. And thank you again for watching. Please give this recipe a try. Rutabaga salad with shrimp. Thank you. Bye bye.